all, they have to respect the four eatings: breakfast, lunch, and tea and dinner. Because many times we forget to have a good breakfast, or to give a good lunch for kids, or to give a good tea after school, and a good dinner. And there are a lot of sort of problems of old persons. The persons that are old, like me, for instance, I'm young but have many problems in my health. Not nowadays, no, but during many years I had a lot of lack of health, and I understand what's happened to old persons. For instance, my knees were began to get pains after walking hundreds of blocks. Then I understood why the old persons walk in that way, because they have in 24 hours have the same tire of a young persons walking 100 or 200 blocks. The other thing was about cold. Sometimes I have to put something in my head because I was designing some kind of clothes to detect all the regions of the body, the temperature, with a long dress since head to foot, because they also discovered during those years after divorcing that the cold regions of the body were the beginning of pain, and the pain were the beginning of diseases or of illness. And for instance, if my kidney is more cold than the rest of the body, or if my head is um, more cold, then it isn't necessary to have sensors, and which leads to implement some kind of alarms in a monitor to see, well, now my feet are not enough, have not enough temperature comparing with the rest of the body. And it was also, for instance, nowadays I have a new pain. Sometimes when in those years when I travel by bus, after 40 minutes being sit down, what happened was that I had pain to stand up. And now it's the same when I bend my body.